Okay, Kate's vlog happens to be really short on the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November? Yes. Okay, so now, her vlog is actually really short, like 3 seconds short. Yep, 3 or 3 seconds long, whatever. Anyways, I'm going to attempt to solve the Rubik's Cube. Let me just mix it up real quick. Okay, it's mixed up. There you go. Now I'm just going to solve it real quick, and here it is.
What was I going to say? Is this the kid who's one?
There. Solved. Before the vlog even went to the outro. There you go. The whole Rubik's Cube is solved. By the way, if you want to know how I did that, the link is going to be in the description below.